Good morning, guys. We're going to start in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. 7 minutes till we get started. Let's get some questions and tickets in, and I will see you shortly. Good morning, everybody. What up? Hello, hello, hello. Let me change the screen here. Let me just put a tweet out that we are live. I am sick, so I will sound a little different. Live on YouTube now. Join. YouTube live session. Everybody get in, get in, get in, get in. Let me just repost this. All right, there we go. We are live. I like the setup on SHFS. I think it'll do pretty well. We'll see if it can hold though. We will see if it can hold. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah. Yo, what up, guys? Let me get through some Twitter stuff first. I got a bunch of questions here. When was it? TI. No, RGTI needs still bearish, probably, right? Yeah. RGTI, nothing going on. RGTI is no good. It's heading into demand zone, which is here. The last red candle for the move to the upside. Possibly when it gets down here that there'll be a reversal happening, but at the moment very difficult to know what will happen, especially with what's going on with the market. So we have here right now, just obviously we're in a downtrend, right? We can just see like by that. Maybe people say it's an affording wedge or that, but for me I would prefer for it to come down into demand zone for possible swing entries. Looking for pullback into demand zone. Yo, what up? Thumbs up, yes. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Let's go. Yo, what up? I hope you feel better. Thank you. Appreciate it. MLGO. MLGO is looking good. Probably the strongest play this morning, to be honest with you. I know that other one was there running. UPXI was insane, but yeah, this is still bullish. Looks good. I still like it. It's still bullish. It is above VWAP from what I remember. Yeah, it's still above VWAP. It's in a bullish pennant, continuation pattern. Price should continue to go up. If not, have a stop loss. Killed it with a buy 6. Chart looks fine too. STBX. STBX has no volume at all. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Maybe 344 break, but you can see there's no volume right now. Entries only above $3.44. Gets above 344, then I would be interested, but other than that, nothing, because right now it's just ranging. Small body candles indicates low volume. No one's really interested in trading it at the moment. OST. OST, still nothing on this. Yeah, just straight up down. We have a resistance level around here. 235. A lot of rejection here once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. So yeah, maybe it's a support, but for me, I don't like to buy at area of support. I like to buy when something's in a steady uptrend. So we have OST needs 235 break above. Yeah, 235 close above, then you have room all the way to fill this wick at 285. So it has a lot of potential. Nothing yet though. MSGM overall chart is bullish. What's happening here? 55 minutes. Yeah, it's pushing up very nice. So you've had like a double top here, which is a bearish pattern. So maybe you get a close above this level here. We'll wait for 5-minute close above $3.09. 309. So MSGM needs to close above 309 for possible entries. The reason is this is a double top. Double top is a bearish continuation pattern. Double bottom is a bullish or reversal pattern. Sorry, not continuation. Reversal. SBFM ran, got a quick scalped it. Ah, yeah, I see you going right now. Gem's going nuts. It's going nuts. Very nice. Candlestick strategy here, members. Did very well on that one. Lucid. What's happening with Lucid? No volume. Still the same thing. So someone save this, please, because I get asked about this all the time, this chart. You are not entering unless it gets above 266. It has not been over 266 since when? I don't even know when. Since here, which was February the 26th. Yeah, nothing interesting. So you could either look for entries here or entries above. I would not buy inside of this range. Wait for 266 break. So right now, nothing. Lucid. KULR, this was on my watch list. Let's see. Yeah, it's still bullish. Still looks good. It's still in a bullish chart pattern. It has very, very low volume, so it probably won't do anything until there is volume. Yeah, this is just based on a 4-hour time frame, so things will happen a lot longer. But as long as it holds demand zone, I would say like this 120 level, then you should be fine. So this needs volume for technical breakout. The reason is when there's no volume, you cannot respect technical. Well, this will not respect technical. Is UPXI still bullish? Probably. Well, right now it's just ranging, so just not doing anything at the moment. I wouldn't be buying here. This is extremely high risk. It's just consolidating. Come straight up and then go straight down. So I would just avoid this for now. Yeah, for me, I don't trade something like this. It's too difficult right now. I needed to pull back. I play reversal, so I let the play come down. It will come down at some point. When it comes down, then I'll look for my entry to take the trade to the upside. So nothing right now. If you want to take a high risk entry, you could take it above 650. As soon as it breaks 650 high, you can look for entries. That's how you can trade it. UPXI impulse buys over 650. Keep a stop loss, guys. You guys all know to keep a stop loss. It's very simple to do so. If you cannot do it, then don't do it. What's up with the likes? Yeah, I don't know. People are lazy today. It's Monday. People are sleeping. Come on, guys. Let's like up a stream. Let's like up the stream. Let's go. SBFM's coming down. UPXI is looking good. Great entries here. EVGN, I'm personally not interested in this yet. Reason is I could around here probably. This would be a better range. Probably around 150 I'll be interested in it. APVO, this one's a bit depressing. I really thought that this one would run earlier, but unfortunately it didn't. So we need to get above VWAP, which is coincidentally in line with the downtrend as well. So APVO, just wait for downtrend. Entries only above VWAP. Right, that's what I would do. As you guys know, for those who are in the Discord, we only trade stocks above VWAP. Something is below VWAP, we do not trade it. SHFS, it's looking okay. Ideally, we want this obviously above VWAP, but if we have at least 2 confluences, which we do, it still looks pretty good. It needs to hold demand zone. If it holds demand zone, then it's still bullish. This is my kind of setup and trades at how I trade, because I like to trade when something is still bullish, just make a little pullback to hopefully push to the upside. We have an A+ setup, to be honest. I would say just not A++ because we are below VWAP. But if this was above VWAP, I would be very confident that this will go up. GURE, this one, another disappointing one, still bearish, downtrend. You have a demand zone around here. Maybe you could look FIG. This is your kind of setup, I think, when you trade something. Pull back. Demand zone. So receiving a pullback into demand zone for entries. But at the moment, I wouldn't really be interested in it. It's too close to $1 for my liking. Also, $1 is in demand zone, so see if we can hold that level. That'll be interesting to see. MLGO, yeah, I still like it as long as it holds this level. Even 850 holds that support, should be good. ARIC, it tried to run up earlier than just lost volume. Bitcoin's weekly looks great. We are breaking our falling wedge here. So yeah, we should see it all push to the upside. Obviously, gold is also at all-time highs as well. Any other plays you guys see? Anything else? Let me have a look and refresh the top gainers. Guys, this is the link here for the top gainers. This is how I find all my top gainers from the pre-market. These are all the gains here. Also, here is the link to the Discord. I don't know. I'm actually not feeling great right now. So I don't know if I will trade today. We'll see how I feel. But if you guys want to join the Discord, here is the link to the Discord. Here, feel free to join. Would like to. Right, here's the link. Right. SBFM, straight down. Straight down, straight down. DRCT. DRCT needs downtrend break. It's below VWAP as well. Above VWAP? This needs VWAP. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do play reverse split. Yeah, we do. Yeah, I would wait for after open. I know that this hollow is the one to look at if people are looking at this reverse split, I think. Currently it's halted. It's $15 stock now. Probably because they don't want to get delisted. Why they did it. SPFM down. UPXI. Who listened to me? I said over 650. If you did, no one celebrated or anything, so I'm assuming no one made money. I don't know what to do except tell you what to do. But if you took it, well done. You'll be very, very rich, and you can come and join us in the Discord for many more plays. Called it live on YouTube. Going like that. Tweet up. Lovely. APVO, what's happening with APVO? Nothing. So look, it's very easy in the way I trade and teach people, right? Because for me, my style is extremely simple. The way I trade and think logically. All I do is I focus on which play is the highest probability of running, because that's the ones I'm trying to look for to give me the probability of making the most amount of money, right? I make myself easy when I'm trading. I don't have to stress about anything. My emotions are fine because I know that I'm at a cool place. Because I know that there is a high probability that these stocks will probably run. And if they don't, I lose 3%. All right, so look, this is very simple, basic. What do we see? We've gone through every single top gain. I've just gone through all of them here. We've gone through every single one of them. I think that UPXI is the only play above VWAP. That shows that's bullish. We can see that there is a lot of volume on this, a lot of volatility, a lot of green, showing what? Buyers are in control, that there is a high probability to go up. So once it broke this high here with volume above VWAP, all those great things, criteria met for the Discord guys, and bang, straight, easy money. Right, that's it. Focus on something that will make you money. Stop trying to find, oh, this is play 52-week low, it's going to run, da-da-da-da. You're wasting your damn time, trust me. You are wasting your time. So what I suggest is listen to what I just said, focus on those plays, and that's how you will make money. Very easy to do that. Right, I still like this SHFS. It's looking good. We just need it above VWAP. Still, yeah, I ain't trading today. I do not feel well at all. GURE, no good. No good, no good, no good, no good. MLGO, no good, so we can just remove this. So now that this candle hasn't closed yet, but looks like it's closing below, we can just remove it like that, remove this, and then see if it can hold into this level here around 850 and see what happens. Well done, Christina. Nice job. So it looks like Christina, out of everyone here, was the only one who got in. I'm very impressed. One person out of, we have 80 people in here. Wow. Guys need to start opening up them ears to get some free money. Look at it go. Well done. 2 free money for everyone. Stevie Wonder just got in as well. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so what was UPXI's news? Because I have no idea what it was. UPXI. So all we have to do is go here, news, 100 million private placement. Interesting, great news. I'm still in. Good afternoon. Currently have a problem with my trades. I'm doing correct reading of the stock, but I don't have the patience. I'm selling fast. Total trades. My trades are winning. So if you're winning, but I'm trying to get highest profit. So you cannot sell at the top. You cannot sell at the highest point the stock goes to. Like now, you don't know. We don't know if it's going to keep going up, or we don't know if it's going to go down. Okay? We know that. We've understood that. Now we've accepted it. So what you need to do is you need to sell where you are happy. You must sell 90% where you are happy. So let's say if you're in a situation here where you always sell and it keeps going up and you get annoyed. So what you have to do is sell where you would always sell, right? Say if you have 100 shares, sell 90 shares right here. Keep 10 shares, see if the rest goes up and scale out when you're happy. That's the way to do it. I'm not very good at scaling out. There's no one who's the best at scaling out. No one is the best at scaling out. It's just pure luck, right? What you need to do is if you always sell too early, just sell majority where you always sell it. If you're in a situation now where you're like, okay, I always sell it here. Let me sell maybe 90% of my position. If it keeps going up, scale out the rest when you're happy. If not, you get stopped out at your entry. That's all I can tell you. That's what's helped me. Yeah, I don't really know any other way to work on it. But yeah, you need to, if you're in a situation where you're always like, I knew it was going to keep going, then just hold one share, whatever you need to do to get used to it, you know. SHFS, I love this setup. Thank you very much. You just got to believe in your strategy. Discord guys, I posted the flashcard there, the seminars on it, on the strategy. Every single confluence was in here for this to break out. This was an A+++ setup. As I said, the only thing is that it was below VWAP. However, since this had at least 2 confluences out of the 4, there was a high probability it will still go up and you can still enter the trade. So well done if you took it. If you didn't, it's okay. It's a learning curve. Understand where you could have entered, what you could have done, and moving forward to try and get in them next. Oh. See, very, very nice. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice. So if you got in, you got in. If you didn't, it's okay. Right. Nice, well done. Just take some profits here because you are right. Oh, you're not near VWAP actually. So yeah, I would just secure some profits. Don't let the green trade go red. All right. I'm just trying to see what else is moving at the moment. Gold is currently at all-time highs, which is pretty insane. Obviously, this news on Friday about Powell and Trump wants to fire Powell isn't great for the market, and all this tariff stuff as well. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. There is a website where you can check. Where is it? Let me try and find it. Give me one sec. There is, yeah, the Fear and Greed Index. So right now we are in extreme fear. Okay, so that means that everybody is very scared to invest and trade in the stock market. So you will see a lack of volume. You will see everything going down pretty much. However, the fantastic thing about day trading and the great thing about the style of trading that myself and Asi do and that we teach is that we can trade in any market, a recession market, a booming market, ranging market, anything, because there will always be stocks that have news. These are the stocks. Look at the current market we're in. It's a crap market in terms of long-term investments and swing trading. However, there is still volume. Look at this trade here, UPXI. I just showed you a perfect trade to take that. If anyone did take that above here, you would have made 66%, which is unbelievable. But yeah, right now, the market, it is in fear, greed. Sorry, extreme fear. This is fantastic for us. Everyone can come to the swing. Everyone can come to small caps. Extreme fear. Extreme fear market. Everybody come to small caps. Do you know which gold stock or ETF we could buy? I mean, if you trade Forex, you can do gold US dollar. XAU USD. If not, what's the gold index? It is GLD, is it? But you can look up the gold stocks. This one here. Gold shares. This. But yeah, someone else can help. I don't really know too much. I just know like with currencies and that. That's what you could do. But yeah, it's insane. It's insane. So market will go down. You'll see SPY probably down. Yeah, see SPY's down. There we go. Thanks. Thanks, Michael. Appreciate it, my friend. Guys, I might end the stream like in the next couple of minutes, just because I don't really feel well. I really don't actually think that I can trade today. I was feeling fine earlier, but since I started this, yeah, I'm not feeling too great. So probably gonna have to end the stream early. I need to go rest. But yeah, let me go through my watches quickly. So MLGO, I still like this. As I said, as long as it holds this 850, you should be good. I think it is a very good setup. I think it'll continue to go up. Yeah, we'll see. 7. Eric, you're not entering this unless it gets above 157. Anything below, don't care. All right. So Eric, entries only above 157. Yeah, 157 on that. UPXI still very good. Like it. It needs to come down. We need a pullback. Let it come down all the way wherever. The UAP is probably a good area for entries around this level here. Obviously, this will move since it's volume weighted. It will go up and down with the market. All right, so we just have to wait it out on that. EVGN, I'm personally not interested in this. Although this did close above UAP, it failed. So maybe you could retry if it breaks 135. APVO, no good. SHFS. I still like SFH, just looks good. All right. Okay, guys, sorry, unfortunately, yeah, I've got to cut this short. I'm not really feeling too well, so I'm probably going to call it a day. I might share charts later. I'll see how I feel, but yeah, I think I just need a rest for now. Okay, so thanks, guys. I appreciate it, and I will see you probably tomorrow. Thanks, guys.